Hi guys, sorry I haven't been posting in a long time. It's just because I got some stuff to do. Yeah. And today I'm going to be rating Airheads. And this Parade Cotton Candy. Airheads, of course, and also they're like this part sour, like that. Yeah. Gotta open. Ooh, it smells fruity. Of course it's fruity because it's rainbow berry. Oh, it's like, hold on. So I got it out. It's in this like thick pile. Look how thick they are. That one's thick, that one's like skinny. Let's try it. It's sour. It's good. Five out of 10. I barely even liked it. Parade Cotton Candy, which I already tried. Because look, I love it. Ow. Alright, come on. Big chunk. Cotton candy. It's like my 5th time trying cotton candy, which is so good. Oh my god. It's like sugary cloudness. 10 out of 10 for sure.